What's up, guys? This is your boy Syvon, man, aka your favorite Jamaican, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys can see me. I'm trying to get as much sunlight as I can. Yes, guys, we're currently in the car heading back home. Another 13 hours drive. Oh my, it's dark. I don't know if you guys can see me, man. We went to a party last night, guys, and we couldn't get to vlog because, bless you, we couldn't get to vlog because it was a lot of music. We didn't want to get copyrighted and stuff. And then after the party, basically we're in the car right now driving back home to Houston. So we should be home in another 11 hours, man. Damn, another 11 hours. If you guys can see, I am sleepy. I gotta drive in a little bit, so I need to wake up. I need to wake up and focus on this road. It's a lot of trucks. Well, yeah, man, that's why I give you guys an update where we at. Everybody's still sleeping. Look at shy. Look at shy. She knocked out, man. But what you guys doing? What you guys been up to? Saying my day is good so far. My few days, I think I've been in 2 days in Florida, been good. So I've been good. I'm definitely looking forward to coming back soon. Hope you guys can hear me because I don't know, it's like it's raining inside of my ears. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but yeah. Get you guys in a little bit.
Rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle, guys. The marathon continues. The marathon continues. I see the truck trying to run me over. Guys, we are at the gas station. I'm about to come up on Bennett right now. Yo. What you gonna say, Bennett? Yo.
5 hours, 3, 4, 5 hours. I can't believe I'm still in Florida, bro.
What you say, babe? Say it again. What you say?
I said we've been driving for almost 5 hours and we're still in Florida.
Dang, babe, you tall.
Can't believe it.
Yep, 4 hours. 4 or 5 hours. We're still in Florida.
We got 9 more hours to go. But we're gonna run through. After Florida, the only longest state we got left is Louisiana.
Louisiana.
We already passed Georgia.
Big, y'all, he's tall, big tall. He like all the way up to the ceiling, to the sky.
I'm ready to go now.
You ready to go now?
Yes, I'm ready to go.
Y'all, this camera is heavy. Babe, show them my fit. Show them my fit.
Man, y'all, she's wearing, look at this shit, bro. She's wearing my clothes, my guy. My God. You look like a tomboy.
I like a tomboy.
Nah, he into that thing fast.
Oh, that truck. Yeah, they dumping all of the trees and stuff over there. Over there. Where that barn is at. Must be in the country part of Florida. We are in Cypress, Florida. Right, babe? Cypress, Florida. Alright, guys. We're just playing around with the camera with this vlogging thing because we're at a resting stop. So we just, getting some footage in. We're getting some footage in. Plus, a lot of people was like, y'all should vlog in Florida. So I was like, alright, I don't think we're going to the beachy part of Florida, but we'll vlog. We'll vlog. So, yeah. Alright, guys. This camera is heavy, so I'm about to put it down. So, yeah. Peace. Yeah, get them kicks in. Get them kicks in. High knees, high knees. High knees. Huh? Gotta wake up. Oh, boy. What did he get over here? Man, didn't that truck just go that way? Look at him, going to be nosy. Going to be nosy. I'm coming too because I'm nosy. What they doing? Trying to kick me. Yeah, baby, work out. Huh? What is this goofball? Is that no come on? Yeah, work them legs out. Work them legs out. Keep. My turn. Alright.
But you was recording.
I was recording. Don't play me. I was recording.
Yeah, stretch them legs out. Stretch them bony legs out.
What?
Stretch them chicken legs out. She needs some milk.
Don't play me like that. Okay, babe, this how you do it, right? High knees. High knees, okay?
What in the world? That's a high knees? Give me a head knees, cause your head is
Whatever. But I still got this tape on my dress.
tape.
Tape on the dress. I put tape on it so it can so it won't like show my cleavage. Guys, y'all gotta have that wardrobe tape, okay? Okay. Oh.
We're ready to go.
We ready? We ready to go? I think we are ready to go, y'all. We are getting gas again for the 50th time. Guys, the one time we find a Chick-fil-A is Sunday.
It's closed.
It's closed. Ugh. Whenever we came to the gas station, I was like, ooh, babe, look at Chick-fil-A. He was like, babe, it's Sunday.
Sunday, baby, it's closed.
All I smell is Burger King. What's the name of Burger King? Smoke. All I smell.
See, we've been driving for 5 hours and 26 minutes.
Yo, really? This it's my guy. All right, guys, look at the view. It's McDonald's, Jimmy John's. What's down here? Let's see if you can see the street signs. I don't think y'all can see the street sign. This is it right there. Tallahassee something.
This journey is long, guys. It's just super.
Man, you be walking all up on the camera.
I can't see how close I am.
Yeah. I wanna know who love you.
Like we've been driving for 10 hours.
You don't understand. You don't understand. You see us. It's kind of dark and you can't even see because the sun is out.
First time I see the sun since yesterday.
Oh yeah, that is true. It was raining hard a while ago, like a couple minutes ago.
Oh yeah, so
like
we
30
didn't
to an
fuck
hour.
that, huh?
But that
That's
is.
weird.
What you doing, babe? Guys, what he's doing to my hair?
What's up?
You trying to find my braid?
Yeah.
I was trying to find it too, but you can't really. Guys, my god sister did a really good job on my hair. I ain't gonna even lie.
I know, I can't see it.
I ain't gonna even lie. She did a really good job. It's really cute too. I might start getting this style like a lot now. I need to learn how to do it on myself.
Guys, you know one thing I hate about going on trips?
What?
We can't get cooked food.
Oh yeah, that's
on the restaurant food, bro.
We've been eating a lot of we haven't really eaten a lot of fast food, but I could really go for some oxtails and rice.
Right.
Brown stew chicken.
Right.
Curry chicken.
I miss my plate of rice, man. Miss my rice.
Oh my gosh, I miss rice, y'all. Ain't gonna lie. Whenever I got with him, I was like skinty, okay? No meat nowhere. But as soon as I got with him, this man thickened me up, y'all. Wanna get thick, get you a Jamaican. Because they cook all the time. Like, they cook, okay? Like, my mom, she cook. I know how to cook and everything, but they cook. They barely do fast food. Because they like to eat, like, you know, cooked food. I understand that. I like cooked food, too. But I don't like cooking by myself.
Well, yeah, one thing I hate about Tristan is fast food. I mean, I can't get my cooked food on the fast food.
Yeah.
Jamaican restaurant is like 20 miles away. Like,
we found one place. There was Jamaican food. Or it was like a restaurant. Like,
it was a Jamaican food. It was called a range grill.
Yeah, so we found one place, but we didn't feel like, it was like, what, 30, 45 minutes to get there? It was like, it ain't that serious. Whew, almost fell. We're gonna go to Burger King. I'll get some. Okay, guys, like I was saying before, I was really interrupted by this biker guy playing this loud music, trying to get us copyrighted right there. Him right there, you see him? Trying to get us copyrighted. Bro, you lucky no water got on me, I swear. What the? Oh, y'all see how he be leaving me? You know, I got abandonment issues, even though I was never abandoned, but I feel like when I go in public places and I don't see the person I came in with, I start getting nervous. I start looking around, I start calling people, I start texting people, where you at? Even though they like at the food court and I'm sitting, you know, in chairs or whatever, even though no one's ever abandoned me, but still, I think it's loud. We're walking over to Burger. Y'all see? Uh-oh, he getting somebody.
He's trying to go somewhere.
About to get somebody. Who he getting? No. Do you want something? Nope. No food for you, baby. Wait, so we're gonna wait here until they come?
Fast food restaurant.
I like a whole dude out here.
I can't. The sun is in my face. Can't see. I don't know where we at.
Well, guys, we got a good video coming up. One I've always wanted to do with him. But why you got the camera playing? But yeah, we got a cool video coming up. The haul, the fashion haul.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're gonna do that video, guys. I always order from Fashion Nova. They need to sponsor me. They need to sponsor me. They need to hire me. I need to be a Nova babe. Like, even though I don't really take a lot of pictures. I mean, I take pictures, but I don't take enough to be, you know, sponsored or whatever.
But you buying a lot. So you gotta buy a lot and take pictures a lot of it?
Yeah, and then tag on Instagram or whatever. Tag Fashion Nova and they gonna put me on their Instagram page. But I don't take enough pictures, y'all. I just be ordering stuff. And I don't really get dressed up unless we got somewhere to go, like we're going somewhere. But if we go to the movies, I'm just throwing some tights and, you know, regular old shirt. And then we just gonna bounce. But if we're going to, like, dinner, we're going on a date, or we're going out of town, you know, if we're traveling, then I'm about to pack me some heels. That's when the heels come out. All my 50 pair of heels that I have. Alrighty, guys. We are back in business. We had to cut the camera off while we were inside Burger King because it was too many people. And, you know, they might be like, oh, is she recording me? So, yeah. We're walking back to the car. Oh, babe.